We aim to contribute to the ongoing discussion on risk and integrated risk mitigation in the design process for construction. Our goal is to assist professionals in implementing long-term, incentive techniques by developing a theoretical framework. Our PowerPoint presentations are based on a thorough examination of current literature on various subjects, such as risk in construction and integrated risk mitigation in the design and construction process, which is published by the Consumer Trading Organisation Limited in the United Kingdom. We recognize that risks can negatively affect a project's completion in terms of time, cost, quality, and the health and safety of people, property, and wildlife. We have identified categories of risks, thus, business risk, technical risk, logistical risk, construction risk, and management risk. These categories encompass factors such as financial feasibility, site conditions, availability of labor and materials, quality and safety, team management, organization, and performance. Construction projects typically go through 3 stages: conceptualization, early planning, planning and design, and planning and construction. Hazards that could impact the planning and design stage program include imprecise goals, poorly specified briefs, lack of detail in probes, unrealistic budgets and programs, inexperienced teams, and lack of investigation. Additionally, statutory approvals and permissions, restrictive covenants, water and drainage, employee accessibility, late design modifications, proposal difficulty. Moreover, scope confusion, lack of cooperation, and communication among design teams can also pose challenges. Issues that could impact the program's planning and construction stages include erroneous initial programs. The RIBA Plan of Work for 2013 is introduced as a framework for managing, supervising, and carrying out construction projects. Mitigating risk and integrating risk management in the design and construction process is crucial for the success of any building project. It is an effective framework that can be used to achieve objectives. It outlines the various stages of a building project, from inception to completion. To mitigate risk and integrate risk management in the design and construction process, the following steps can be taken. 1. Inception stage. At this stage, the client's requirements are identified, and the project brief is developed. The risks associated with the project can be identified at this stage, and strategies developed to mitigate them. 2. Concept design stage. Here, the outline proposals are developed, and the feasibility of the project is assessed. At this stage, the risks identified in the inception stage can be evaluated, and mitigation strategies developed. 3. Developed design stage. Detailed designs are developed, and the design is refined. At this stage, the risks identified in the previous stages can be assessed, and mitigation strategies developed. 4. Technical design stage. Technical details are developed, and the design is finalized. At this stage, the risks identified in the previous stages can be assessed, and mitigation strategies developed. 5. Construction stage. The building is constructed, and the risks associated with the construction process are identified and managed. 6. Handover and closeout stage. The building is completed, handed over to the client, and the final account is settled. At this stage, any outstanding risks can be assessed, and mitigation strategies developed. By following the stages outlined in the plan, risks can be identified and managed effectively, resulting in a successful building project. This PowerPoint highlights the different stages of the construction process and the potential hazards that could impact each stage.